Good afternoon, everyone. So, I want to talk about how my father taught me how to cook. Has anyone here been taught how to cook by their father? Let's be precise. Father. Okay, my dad taught me how to cook, but he never stepped his foot into the kitchen. He was this kind of person that will always liked reading. He read a lot. He watches a whole lot of series on the television. So my name is Findausi Hassan, and I am a professional chef. All thanks to my dad. My elder brother once had to spank me because I fetched palm oil and raw rice to go cook for my immediate elder sister and my younger brother. They came back. I didn't know how I did it because we were on hauls. We came from Lagos to Kano. So I fetched the rice, fetched the palm oil in a tin of milk. I think I got some sticks and just put them together and I lit up the fire. So they came back and saw that happening, which was a serious punishment for me because they were like, "Do you want to burn down the house? What are you trying to do?" They never encouraged me. My dad was not around. He was in Lagos while we came for holidays in Kano. So I think my dad got the information. When we went back to Lagos, my dad began to systematically tell me, make me tea, fry me egg, make me sandwich. And that was how it began. In my house, we start cooking very early. We start around age 9. But in my own case, I started around age 6, 7. I could not wait. I was in a hurry to get there. So he supported me. And before 11, I was already grilling fish, baking here and there. So I did not take that part serious, but I had this zeal for just being in the kitchen because I am an indoor person. I like to do things from home. So he kept on motivating me and teaching me techniques, how to use these herbs. In my house, we don't eat salt because my parents were hypertensive. So they don't eat salt. We cut out our salt intake. So that was how it started. Now I began to cook, and when I cook, everyone is liking it. So I grew up to a point where I felt, okay, I need to like have a certificate. I don't just want to be cooking for people, eating and always telling me, oh, it's nice, it's nice. So that was how I began my journey as a professional chef. I went to a catering institute, and for a whole year, I was learning and learning and learning. So, um, in conclusion, what my dad taught me was the technique, being creative, and being patient because you can't go far if you are not patient. Some people, you cook, some people will be like, no, this is not. So in his own case, he was always encouraging. You are doing good, but next time reduce this or add this or add that. And all I can say is thanks to him for doing that because today I didn't just become a cook cooking, I became a professional chef because a professional pastry chef because all he kept teaching me were bread, all flour things. So all thanks to him, I am where I am today, and all I can say is my dad was the um, motivator behind my passion today.